What's up, Soul Society? We're here for another unboxing. We have a pretty interesting shoe today. This is an early pair that doesn't come out for a little bit. We were able to hit on sneakers a little while back, so we have this early pair that we're going to unbox, kind of talk about a little bit, so you guys will get to see a pair that's in hand before the release even happens. And then we'll talk about a little bit of resale predictions, stuff like that, but we've still got a little ways to go on these. Just an update, some things have changed a little bit. Obviously, if you guys see on the finger, we're married now. The vlog stuff that I filmed is probably going to be later in this week, maybe next week. We'll have to see. We still have a lot going on right now, but it will be coming out. I promise. It is going to come out eventually. But so we have that coming soon, and then also we're going to have some more live cops coming soon as well. We just had a lot going on lately, so haven't been able to film as much. But anyways. Before we unbox this pair, go ahead and like and subscribe on the channel. We just hit 1,600, I believe, so the next goal is 2,000. So if you guys can help push us to 2,000, that'd be great. But yeah, make sure that you like the video and comment for the YouTube algorithm. Let's check out this pair. You guys will see what pair I'm talking about after we open it. I haven't seen it yet, but I kind of have an idea.
What's up, guys? I just wanted to jump in and make a quick announcement. We have some major news on the channel. I am going to be offering free ACO services for channel members moving forward. That means if you guys pay $4.99 a month, hit that big red join button, then you will get free ACO on drops like this Saturday with the Yeezy Foam Runners and the Jordan 11 Cool Grays. And you guys know if you hit one pair, then that obviously makes the money back probably tenfold. So you guys have to be a channel member before Friday evening, so go ahead, don't waste any time, hit that red join button, and you will get free ACO on all releases moving forward. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Be sure to hit that red button right now and become a channel member. The quicker you get it in, the more likely you will be able to get in and get a pair on Saturday. So if you guys want free ACO on all releases moving forward, hit the join button down below and become a channel member for only $4.99, guys. Really great deal. Take advantage of it. Now back to the video.
Of what this is going to look like. This pair is actually already sold too, so I got to ship this pair off. Man, I wish you guys could see the floor and everything right now. It's pretty crowded with stuff, but we'll get it fixed up eventually. If you guys know your Jordan boxes though, then you know what this is. This is a pair of the Jordan 11 Cool Grays. It's going to be coming out pretty soon. I'll have an exact release date on the screen. I'm not really sure right now what the release date is off the top of my head, but anyways, we were able to get an early pair off of sneakers. This is a size 11.5, so we're going to check it out. Alright, you guys can see it's wrapped in the nice black paper here. And then our first look, there it is. Pretty nice shoe. Jordan 11 is one of my favorite silhouettes, one of the most iconic. The Cool Gray 11s. I mean, yeah, this is going to be a really nice shoe. So here it is right here, Jordan 11 Cool Gray 2021. And it's got the icy bottom right there. That's pretty nice. But yeah, so this shoe is coming out pretty soon, I think. Wow, the suede's really, really nice on this shoe. Suede's really, really good. I really like the laces on the 11s. I've always liked how they've kind of had that rope look to them. So that's always a pretty cool feature. But yeah, this is the Jordan 11 Cool Gray. And it's coming out pretty soon. And like most 11s, these will probably do pretty well. But one thing you have to consider is that the holidays are coming up. So all shoes now are going to be a little bit extra. So a shoe like this, the Jordan 11 Cool Gray, it's going to do really good now. Pre-release, like these early pairs are going to do really well. I already sold mine for a decent amount. I'm not going to put it on the screen, but I did sell it for a decent amount. Just take my word for it. And then after these shoes release, you'll see a dip right after they release as usual, like most shoes do. But these are going to be pretty well selling shoes throughout the holidays. It's just a really iconic silhouette with a Jordan 11 and a nice cool gray colorway. As you guys can see, obviously the darker gray versus the lighter gray up there on the upper and the lower. So it's a really nice shoe, and yeah, this is a Jordan 11, so it's going to do well. 1s, 4s, 11s, those are always going to do well. And this is another one that's going to do extremely well. I have to get this one packaged up and sent off. But yeah, guys, Jordan 11 cool gray coming out pretty soon. I don't know the exact release date. A lot's changed since the last time I did a live cop video. Foot sites are doing something weird right now. Yeezy Supply was doing SMS stuff. So I'm gonna make a video about the current state of botting here pretty soon. It's gonna be like our state of the union here on the channel. So we'll go through what's going on right now in the botting world. We'll talk about some things, and I'm also gonna talk about some other things that I'm reselling right now, because I feel like lately I have limited myself and the channel to just sneakers, which is great. That's what this channel is all about. But there are other ways to make money out there, and I do want to show you guys those ways so that we can all be making money outside of shoes as well. But hopefully you guys have found this video kind of informative. We did go over the Jordan 11 cool gray. You guys got an early look at them, got some of the features, but it's pretty standard Jordan 11 in a cool gray colorway. You guys know what cool gray looks like. We've seen it on multiple variations of Jordans now, so this one is no different, but it is a very clean shoe. It is going to do numbers. This is a size 11.5. I don't know if I mentioned that, so I got really lucky on the sizing. This is one of the better sizes to get for resale purposes. So yeah, Jordan 11 cool gray unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you found it informative. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, please. We're on our way to 2,000 subscribers. That's going to be huge. We're going to do a major giveaway at 2K. Bots, proxies, shoes, all that type of stuff. So if you haven't shared the channel, share it with some people. Let's get some more subscribers up in here. And also like the video. Let's shoot for 10 likes on this video. I'd really appreciate that. And we do have the vlog coming soon of the wedding this past weekend, of mine and Christy's wedding. I was able to get some footage from over the weekend, some behind the scenes stuff, so I'll show that to you guys in the upcoming vlog. And I hope that you guys enjoy it, because I've never done a vlog before. But anyways, guys, that's it for the unboxing and review of the Jordan 11 Retro Cool Grays that's coming out here pretty soon, the 2021 Cool Grays. I hope that you found it informative, hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, guys, smash the like button for me and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We will see you guys in the next video. Soul State.